Section 1, we're going to start here on our 3rd string, 7th fret. You're going to do a hammer-on from 7 to 9. Then you're going to slide up to 11. When you do that slide, you're going to do a half bend up to 12 on that string. So you're going to go up halfway, back down, and back to the 9 here. And then slide back down to 7. So after you hit that 7, you're going to slide that back to 5. And you can do a hammer-on from 7 to 9 on your D string. Pull off. And you're going to grab that 10th fret of the A string with your 4th finger here. Okay, and then you're going to end on your D string, 7th fret. So all together. Part, we're going to use a lot of our bass notes here, so we're going to be on our D string again. You're going to do a hammer on from 7 to 9 here, back to 7, and slide back to 5, and then a hammer on again on 7. You're going to grab that 7 on the A string with your 2nd finger there. Do the same thing again. I'm going to do a slide back to 9 here. I'm going to grab that 9 on the G string, and then I'm going to finish on my 12th fret of the D. So roll over with my 2nd finger here. to start here on your 9th fret of your D string. This is taken out of shape 5 of the E minor pentatonic. So I'm going to do a fast hammer on from 9 to 12 on your D and grab the 9 and a G. And you're just going to walk down the shape here. So I have a hammer on from 9 to 12 on the D, and another hammer on from 9 to 12 on the G. I'm going to play 10, 12 on the B. I'm just working my way back here, watch. And then finishing there on the D note on the D string and the 12th fret here. The second time I do that, I'm just taking the 12 and sliding it up to 14, or you could do a bend. You can do a full bend there if you like. That's your A note I'm bending up to or sliding up to. Okay, let's hear all 3 parts in the track again. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you got something from this video. Please feel free once again to take those notes and switch them around, make up your own solos, and we'll see you guys at our next video. Thanks for watching.